What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to another tutorial. In this one we're going to be doing another YouTube tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to add N-Screen Annotations. Basically the little buttons you see at the end of YouTube videos which you can click on to be redirected to either another YouTube video or just to subscribe to the guy's channel. Now YouTube did used to use regular annotations for this, but the problem with them is one, they couldn't be used on mobile, and two, it was literally just a box you could add some color to and add a link to. This one actually provides the thumbnail of the video over the link. It also can provide your channel image if you are adding the subscribe button, which you'll see in a minute, and it just makes it look a bit nicer. The one drawback is you can only add them in the last 20 seconds of the video, so if you are going to make some sort of template and you are going to put that into your video, make sure you use that much time. Don't do more than 20 seconds of the end screen, because it means the actual end cards aren't going to show up until the last 20 seconds of the video. So just make sure your outro isn't too long. I always try to make sure mine's between 15 and 20 seconds just so I can make sure I'm getting the timing right. But getting straight into it, if you click on your logo at the top here when you're on YouTube, go into Creator Studio, give it a minute to load up here, and then you want to go into Video Manager. If it is your most recent video, I think you can go onto here. Yeah, you can go in here and click end screen, but I'm just going to go through this way because just in case you've got other videos. Click on Video Manager, then find the video you want. Mine just happens to be that video, so you can see I've got this scheduled and it's how to upload videos to YouTube. We're going to click edit on here, and then at the top you get a bunch of different settings. You can go into all these settings menus. If you click on end screen, this is going to give you the end screen annotations. So now you're on this screen here, what you'll be able to do is add elements to the video. Now elements are the different parts or different buttons that you can click on to do different things. You can see the video at the side here, which is where you'll get to preview what the end screen looks like, and then you've got your little timeline down here. Now you can see this part at the beginning. If you try and drag this, you can drag it forward, but you can't drag it backwards. That's because this is the 20-second limit. So this section here is 20 seconds and you can put cards within that. If you want to have cards in a short amount of time, just move that forward and you can put them in like this little section here. To start with, what I'm going to do is find where my outro is. Now if you don't have an outro and you just want to overlay it over a video, then that's fine, you can do that as well. But I like having it on my outro, so I'm just going to drag this forward until, there we go. Okay, so that's where my outro has started. So this is where I'm going to want the end cards to start. So now, quick disclaimer, what I usually actually do is import from video. So I would click on here and choose one of my old videos. That's because I've already done them on there. If you haven't done that, if this is the first time adding cards, which I assume it will be, you want to click add element, and then you've got a bunch of options here. Now one of the common ones you'll probably want to do is the subscribe button. If you click on the subscribe button, add that, it's going to add your channel logo, and you can drag that anywhere on the screen to make it look nice. And what will happen is if you click preview at the top here, you'll see the video play, and then that'll come up, and if you hover over it, you'll get the ability to subscribe to the channel. So that's one useful feature of it. Now we can also add a video or a playlist, which is what I tend to do. I'll add a video. Now you've got the options here to have the most recent upload, the best for viewer, or you can choose a video or playlist. So what I would recommend is just going for the best for viewer, because this is going to use YouTube's algorithm to actually pick a video for the viewer, which a lot of times is probably going to end up better than your personal choice. If there is a video you do want to promote in particular, then go for it. Choose a video on your channel or playlist. Another useful idea I might have is to add an actual playlist, and I might choose the playlist called YouTube Tips and Tricks. So that would be a useful thing because that's relevant to the video, so people may want to click on that once they've ended it. So you could have that there, and then if you were to preview, you would see, oh, I'm going to turn that off. I have accidentally made that a bit short, so we'll move that back to the start here, about there, and then we'll hit preview, and there we go. We can see that come up. If we hover over it, the background goes a bit grey, and we can click on that and then get onto the actual playlist. But we're going to close that down. We don't need that for the moment. Now that would be a useful idea. I am actually just going to use the template from my previous video for this. Once you have actually set up a video of N-Screen Annotations and then you go to do it on a video in the future, the video should appear on here. I believe this menu only shows videos which actually have the N-Screen Annotations on. So these are all the videos on my channel with the N-Screen Annotations. I've actually got a lot more videos on my channel from when I used to upload gaming videos. but of course they're not going to show up on here because the cards didn't exist back then. I've only been using it when I've been uploading tutorials. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the how to delete YouTube videos, because what I tend to do is I'll just choose the previous one, because all of these literally have used the same template, because I'll click on the one prior. So next time I actually go to add end cards on a video, I'll choose this video as the template. But if we import that, we will be able to see replace current end screen. We're going to click import on that, and there we go. So it's imported. If we hit preview now, we actually get my main channel button, a subscribe to my channel, and then the recommended video. So that's the way I like to do it. It gives me a bit of promotion for my other channels, and it possibly allows viewers to continue watching more videos. It's a very simple tool you can use, and it can actually boost watch time and views by quite a bit. So I would recommend using it where you can, if you remember. I have to admit, even though I've got a template, I do forget sometimes. So if you ever see a video where it just says subscribe for more and nothing has came up on screen, that is because I've just been a bit dumb and I forgot to add it in. But yeah, that's where I'm going to end this video, guys. So if you did find it helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and if you want to see any other tutorials, just comment them down below. I'm happy to do them. But that is going to be it for this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.